Welcome. In front of me I have Cubot X20 and today I will show you how you can find and manage sound settings. So the first, we have to simply open the settings. When we are here we have to scroll down and go for sound. When we are here we can change volume of media, calls, ringtone and alarm by moving this dot on the left or the right. You can also make simple tap. You can activate vibration for calls or activate do not disturb mode, and when you go here you can also set it up like you want, and to turn it on you have to tap right here. Below we can find shortcut to prevent ringing, so we can press power and volume up together. Here we can change default notification sound and the same for the phone ringtone. When we go for the advanced we can find other sounds and vibration settings like screen locking sounds, charging sounds or touch sound, and for sure we can activate or deactivate by simply tapping on the switchers. And when you go back, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.